If you've ever done any type of web design or web development, chances are you've heard of Dreamweaver. If you haven't, or if you're just getting started, you may be wondering, what's Dreamweaver all about anyway? Well, Dreamweaver is the industry standard web design and development tool. It creates standards-compliant XHTML and CSS and is integrated with almost every web technology and standard you can think of. HTML, PHP, Cold Fusion, ASP, ASP.NET, XML, and XSLT. Those are just a few of the file types Dreamweaver can generate. Strictly speaking, it can handle almost every web design task you throw at it. Now, that sounds complicated, right? Well, that's the best thing about Dreamweaver. It does all this while simplifying the process for the designer or the developer. Creating a page, for example, can be done in a single click with all the code generated for you. So here we have our welcome screen, and I'm just going to click on the Create New HTML. And just like that, I have a brand new page. Now, it's always a good idea to go ahead and save your page. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and I'll just save it as index.html. And this will be more or less my home page. Now I'm going to switch over and take a look at the code that was generated. Notice how the document type declaration was automatically generated based on my preferences. So that was something that I didn't have to worry about. And Dreamweaver lets us switch back and forth between this code view and a WYSIWYG view of your page. So if you're the type of individual that's really comfortable coding, you could be in this environment and code all day long. If you're not familiar with coding and you just sort of want to ease your way into it, we also have this design view that shows you the page as it would be in the browser. We have a split view that shows us both the code and the design view at the same time. And this is a really good way to learn, or for more complex layouts, select items on the page. Now, once you do have content on the page, it's very easy to structure and declare. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a heading. And after that, I'll type in a paragraph. Now, right now, they don't look any different. Here we have our heading. Here we have a paragraph. But what makes them different in HTML is the structure of them. So if I click inside my heading, I can go down to my Properties Inspector, click on the HTML tab, and tell it, no, I don't want a paragraph there. I'd like a heading. And I do have a heading. If I switch to this split view, notice that the heading is contained within an H1 tag, the paragraph is contained within a P tag, and